Hello teacher, my name is Leighton Dat and my group is group 2 and now I will presentation about programming model. The first thing I want to tell you that the main idea of my group presentation. The chapter 1 is programming model, chapter 2 is cloud service model and chapter 3 is cloud deployment models. In this chapter 2 I will tell you about the object introduce an overview. The first thing a abstract programming model for cloud computing has been research focused recently. Some progress have been made in cloud computing programming model, but little has been done on the model of the predictable performance. In this paper, we introduce a programming model, BSP Cloud, which has the advantage of performance predictability. The proof of concept of BSP Cloud library has been implemented in Java. We detail applying BSP Cloud library on magic multiplication. The experiment result display good speed up and scalability. We also analyze the factors which affect BSP Cloud performance, and the analysts also helpful to general parallel model of multi-core cluster. The next is introduction. Cloud computing integrates computing and store resource together, which provide service and demand via network. Developer or application can apply the resource on demand and pay for it by hour. Cloud computing makes development conveniently. Meanwhile, it brings a new challenge for cloud computing programming model. Some progress have been made on cloud computing programming, such as Google and Microsoft. However, there are still some issues to be further studied. Firstly, the current cloud computing programming model mainly focuses on processing mass data. Secondly, when programming a cloud computing application, it's very important for the programmer to rely on a simple Z real, realistic cost model. So study on performance predictable cloud computing programming model is of a great significance. And the next is overview. About the overview, cloud computing is usually described in one or two ways, either based on the development model or on the service that the cloud is offering. The cloud deployment model is public, private, and hybrid community cloud. The cloud service model comes under four types as SaaS, software as a service. Previously, we have explained how cloud works. Basically, the program that are needs to run on certain application are now more popularly located on a remote machine owned by another company. This is done in order not to lose on the quality performance due to processing power of your own computer, to save money on IT support and just remain advantageous on the market. The computer that run the application, store the data, and use a server system are basically what we call the cloud. There are two types is development cloud model and service cloud service cloud model. And Nguyễn Cao Trí and Nguyễn Đình Thi will tell you more about more detail about deployment cloud model and service cloud model.